Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Jeff Lynne's ELO, where after 37 years, Electric Light Orchestra steps out for a spectacular North American concert tour, and Steve Jennings is there with words and pictures on creating the production. Check that out. Our installation showcase focuses on recent House of Worship upgrades and install projects, all focused on intelligibility, musicality, and audio that delivers the message with impact. For a different slant on an installation, master acoustical designer Sam Burkow helps create Pier 17, a 3,400 capacity rooftop venue in Manhattan that's hailed by both critics and nearby neighbors. In theater sound, Brian Reisman looks into Head Over Heels, which takes an epic Renaissance poem, sets it to songs by the Go-Go's, and with some assistance from world-class sound designer Kai Harada, has all the makings of a Broadway hit.
our buyer's guide this month focuses on
Column array speakers. We present the latest offerings in modern column arrays, which combine wide bandwidth, directional control, and SPLs to cover the entire venue. George Peterson checks out the latest generation of Sennheiser's G4 handheld wireless and uncovers a few surprises about the system. And On the Digital Edge examines the dark and light side of plugins, as world-class front-of-house engineer Steve Lacera dives into the pluses and minuses of the DSP plugin revolution.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.